Hi everyone, we're thrilled to announce another major update with Pia's Platform 20 release. This one is packed with powerful new features you're going to love. Let's hit the highlights. The Pia chatbot in your PSA is now Tech Assist. This is a new home for some of our existing powerful features such as automated time logging and ticket auditing settings, as well as two brand new features that we're launching today: ticket bundling behavior and approvals. Our approvals feature just got its biggest upgrade yet. Previously, approvals were limited to basic configurations for only custom automations inside client screen. Useful, but not the full experience our partners needed. With Platform 20, we've completely re-engineered the approvals feature to give you far more flexibility and control. You can now easily configure approval rules for all automations. This includes all 60+ PIA provided automations and your custom automations. And this is just a teaser. Check out our approvals video or head over to our knowledge portal for more information. You told us you wanted more ways to make PIA work exactly the way you work. Well, we heard you. Introducing a brand new set of APIs designed to give MSPs superpowers. With this release, we're bringing you 3 new API services. First up, build. Now you can send your automation scripts to PIA or pull them out whenever you need. Back up your work, move automations between environments, or just keep everything neat and tidy. Second, automate. Well, this one's been highly requested. You can now trigger PIA automations directly through the API, discover them, run them, or even keep an eye on them by downloading their execution logs. It's automation automated. And finally, configure. Managing your PIA tenant just got way easier. Activate, deactivate, or uninstall agent through a simple call, and update client information without digging through menus. It's all about giving you smoother control behind the scenes. With our new APIs, you can now also take advantage of the new PiaSource VS Code extension. PiaSource connects your local Git workflow directly to your PIA tenant, allowing you to pull automations from a sandbox into VS Code, edit and version them like any other code, and push updates back when you're ready. We're ticking off another integration win, this time with Thread. Smartforms can now be accessed directly inside Thread's magic agent. Whenever a request requires Smartform, your clients will instantly receive it within their Thread conversation. Once they submit it, the request flows straight into your PSA and is processed exactly as usual, complete with Pia's full zero-touch automation capability. With Pia's Schedule for Later feature, you can schedule automations such as user offboarding at a later date. Within Pia's automation workflow, Pia will typically create a new ticket and bundle it with the existing ticket. Based on your feedback, we're now giving you the control to decide exactly how the scheduled tickets behave. Bundle them, keep them separate, or reopen the original ticket. Platform 20 is all about giving you more power, more control, and more flexibility, with features built directly from your feedback. To explore the full list of updates, visit our knowledge portal at knowledge.pia.ai. And if you're not part of the Pia family yet, please go to pia.ai and book a demo with us. Thanks for watching. I'm Ranju, and I'll see you in the next product update.